I make one sale a day. For the past couple of weeks, we have been consistently making sales daily. And of course, I vlog it, so check out all my vlogs. And I've been uploading every day. That's a little side note. Now, it might not seem like a lot to you, but it means the world to me and my mom. We have a small following, but we're growing every day. I'm so proud of us. Being an online boutique owner is difficult and discouraging.
What she said.
First thing is to make sure that all your inventory is on every selling platform. So me and mom do have a website, Bourgeois Boutique. It's through Vix. Vix is very affordable. It's $200 annually. I know a lot of people go through Shopify. It costs a little bit more. I like the cheaper one because, like I said, we are still a new business and I like low overhead. So on top of our website, we are on every selling platform, as in on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Instagram store, Facebook Marketplace, and there's some other places, but these are the popular ones where we make sales consistently. And I actually have a video on YouTube where I go in depth on each of these selling platforms, and I teach you guys how we are growing on there, the appropriate hashtags and all that. Another thing with selling on these platforms, good reviews will get your products viewed more. Now, when you sell on these other selling platforms, be aware that it is slow. What I mean by slow, in the beginning, when we first started, we weren't making any sales. It took about 3 months before we even made our first sale on any of these platforms. So it's slow and steady. So keep that in the back of your mind. Second tip is to promote your business on every social media platform with the appropriate hashtags. Instagram and TikTok are my favorite platforms to promote on. Side note, I recycle content to fit each platform. For instance, with Instagram, I will post one video on the stories, a reel, and a post. That same video I will post on TikTok as a post in a story. And the same thing for Pinterest. Third tip, and I think this helped us tremendously, which is pop-up shops. If you're new to my page, you wouldn't know this, but me and my mom do pop-ups every week. And pop-ups are a great way to get new customers and returning ones. At each event, we will pass out flyers. We give them our site and our social media. Customers may not buy anything there, but online they would. Fourth tip is to go live. Now, it might not seem like it's helpful, but it's a way to get your products out there. While you're on live, you can show your new arrivals, you can show your friends and family, and they might make a purchase through your live. But when I'm at the pop-ups, literally all day I'm on live. My last tip is to offer free shipping or give a discount. Now, I know a lot of people do not give discounts, especially when I see YouTube videos. They always say never give a discount. It degrades your products and all that. I don't feel the same way as that. When I'm shopping and I see a discount or free shipping, it makes me want to shop more. So I apply the same thing with me on Mama's business. I'm sorry, I can't even speak. But I always have a coupon code for them available, and I offer free shipping over a certain amount. I feel like it works. You can try it out for your business, but if it doesn't, you can just, go back to what works for you. So that's it on my video on how to make a sale a day. I hope it was helpful for anyone who is interested in it. And I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I have been consistently posting every day. And at the end of this clip, I'm going to insert some clips from my previous pop-up so you guys can see how everything goes. Good morning, guys. So today is the day of the pop-up at Gardena Jazz Fest. I am in my car right now. My mom's inside already. She already has the U-Haul and on our inventory. Apparently we only can use one parking pass, so we use it for the U-Haul, so I have to find one on the street, and that's fine with me.
Drinking her coffee.
Good morning, Ashlyn.
What? Oh, no.
What?
I was talking. It's different. I'm helping her.
Oh, Ashlyn.
Where you been?
Oh, wait.
Where you been?
Well, I've been sitting in the car for a minute.
To do what?
What?
She working the hell out you early this morning.
Baby, she ain't playing.
Baby. Ashlyn, you know I'm going to tell everybody.
I
All our Lemur family how you work.
Baby, honey, her eyelashes hat.
What? I'm here on time.
What time you supposed to be here?
She said 7.
What time is
What
it?
time did she say?
7.
And what time did she get here, boo?
Let me see. Oh, it's 8:40.
She never late. But what
I'm
happened this
never
morning?
late.
It was me.
Oh, it was you?
You did it.
Good in there.
This one, look, girl, look at this.
Good in there.
This heifer here. What's your name?
Dawn.
You do all this.
I did
and you
all
set
this.
up.
I made
This girl did her thing.
this.
Plug your Instagram on there.
Yeah.
What's
Oh, my
your Instagram?
Instagram is Dawn did that.
Don did. Oh, yes.
But you know what's so crazy? I've been trying to change my name like to I was gonna say D Dines by Dawn.
And she
D.
sit back there.
But it's crazy because my little cousin, every time I do something, she be like, Dawn did that. So that's what they made my Instagram, like Dawn did that.
I like Don did that.
Like Dawn did that.
Alright. We in here, guys.
You know who you remind me of? You ever used to work basketball, Pat Roy?
Surrounded by just beautiful people like you, and it just, you know, the times when I want to quit and stuff, I'd be like, you know.
It's an attraction piece. Also, right on there.
And then
You can
somebody,
find me
my
every
family
weekend at
said
Lamert
about
Park.
Okay, meet us at Lamert.
Meet me at Lamert. Place your orders.
the way you talk about it.
You were last one that did.
People out there,
That's yours. They
I
weren't
don't even know how
playing.
to describe them. All I can do is just pray for them. Because their heart and their spirit ain't right.
Yeah.
And it's just like,
Alright. Oh, we are late. That was me. I'm trying to get her. I'm trying to get her right.
Okay, thank you.
Last time they let them in at 10. So I'm like,
Is it gonna be what's going on? I'm just setting up.
it's 9 now and they let them in.
Oh wow.
They're early. So we're kind of late. We're still setting up. I was under the impression that they was gonna let people in at 10. It's 9 o'clock. People are in here already, so we have to hurry up. And we're not even wait. Look, we're not even near ready.
Are you out there? You're not gonna be alone. I hope not.
I calling for some more money? Yep. Look, you call Jody, get him. That's my son. I call him Jody.
Okay, let me get your change.
Something pink. God, something pink. Oh, candy. Candy something. Candy pink. Pink candy. No. You buy some oil too. Wow, that's hot though. That's nice. Yeah, I see.
Because her hair is so dark. See what the black ones are? It's gonna look like that.
Accessory to your glasses.
Not like you can wear it as glasses.
Has glasses, but you not really have glasses.
She wanted you to reach your fitter.
Yeah.
They just let them know.
Oh, they can be
Yes, ma'am.
almost at the tree. So I'm gonna give up with you and me.
I know my friends at work. They hate when I say that. They hate when I say it.
Right. You look good. I mean, look at this. Alright, guys. So we made a couple sales. I'm getting kind of hot, even though the sun's not out. Yeah, I'm happy with the setup. It look a little messy right now, but we're getting it together.
So yeah.
Where's the African knife?
Bring us this way to with all the vendors, passing them.
Yeah, that's some recording.
I'm on preliminary, but I'm live, so I'm gonna go ahead and go down and then come back.
Okay. I want to see the other.
That's the cute setup right there. Look at that sister setup, and she's selling wigs and stuff. Cute.
Oh, hold on, let me have my mom.
Bourgeois boutique right here.
I'll be back.
I thought you were going to